Okay, we're gonna try to crank that babe. I'm not a big fan of using heating up the car with the single glow plug use, so I do at least 3, 4, maybe 5 even. I want this thing to start up as soon as possible. If I want to hit a glow plug's pretty good, this thing probably discharge the battery, and that's how my attempt gonna end. So what I'm gonna do, the light goes off, I still keep the key on for a little bit. I know they're glowing. I got a MAF sensor problem, so don't worry about it. Got nothing to do with the startup. This car has the module removed, new cams, recently rebuilt transmission. I pretty love this thing. Alright, after this light goes off, I'm gonna start cranking it. Alright, ready? And the grease. We got a thing going. The battery gotta be sure that the battery is fresh, otherwise that diesels in the cold weather, they're not the great performers. Thank you. Thanks for watching.